Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Payplug Payment Gateway integration for Odoo. It enables the secure and the simple online payments within the ERP system. It supports the Euro and the USD currency with the real-time payment authorization and the instant confirmation. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and now I'm just going to the website module, and under the configuration you will find one option for the payment providers. So here I'm selecting the Payplug as a payment provider. So for the first, you have to enable it in the test mode and select the website, and you have to add the credentials for the same. After that, I'm just going to the home page and navigating to the shop and selecting one product. Now I'm just going to proceed to checkout for the same. Here I'm selecting the Payplug as a payment method and going to pay for the same. So here you can see it will redirect to the payment gateway, and I'm just going to pay for the same. So you can see our payment is successfully completed. Now I'm just going to the website module. Under the configuration, you will find one option for the payment transactions, and I'm selecting the latest one. So here you can see the payment method and the provider, and the reference is already fetched over here. If you want to track the sale order, just click on this smart button. So from here you can also check the details of the order and the payment. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.